In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set featured products in WooCommerce. Featuring products is a great way to highlight bestsellers, promotions, or items you really want your customers to notice first. WooCommerce makes this pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through two simple ways to do it from your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Hover your mouse over Products and a small sub-menu will appear underneath. From that sub-menu, click on All Products. This will open a list of every product currently in your store. On this product list page, you'll see your products displayed in rows with several columns of information like name, price, and stock. Move your attention to the far right side of each product row. You should see a small hollow star icon. This star is what controls whether a product is featured or not. Find the product that you want to feature. When you've located it, click the hollow star on the right side of that product's row. After you click it, the page may quickly reload or refresh. Once it's done, you'll notice that the star is now shaded or filled in. That change means the product is now marked as a featured product in WooCommerce. You can repeat this on any other products you'd like to feature. Now let's look at the second method, which you can use if you're already editing a specific product. From the All Products list, click on the name of the product you want to feature. This will open the product editor screen. On the product editor page, look at the right-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a section often called the Publish or Status card, where you usually manage visibility and update the product. In that section, find the line that says Catalog Visibility, which will typically show something like Shop and Search Results. Right next to that text, you'll see a small Edit link. Click on Edit, and some additional options will drop down. In those options, you'll see a checkbox labeled This is a featured product. Click to check that box to mark the product as featured. After you've done that, click OK to confirm your changes. Finally, don't forget to click the Update button in the same sidebar to save everything. Once updated, that product is now set as a featured product, and WooCommerce can display it in your featured product sections or widgets across your site.